Good morning, sir.
Oh, good morning. Why you come here?
Yes, I see advertise in the road and I want to work for your company.
Okay, sit down, please.
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Tun.
How are you?
I'm 26.
Where are you from?
I'm from Hải Dương, but now I live in Hanoi.
Do you live with everybody?
Yeah, I live with my family in an apartment.
Okay. Are you married?
Yes, I'm married for 3 years, and now I have 9 children.
It's awful. Nigeria?
Yes, do you know why?
What?
My wife very beautiful, and I can't reach her temptation, so you know.
Oh, I can't believe. So, what's my major?
My major is information technology, and I'm very excellent in my major. I can do everything with my computer.
Oh, really? My company, very professional. So you can work tomorrow.
Oh, thank you. I not make you disappointment.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Okay.